Good afternoon, everybody. 12:25 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. 35 minutes, 35 pennies to the closing bell. 3/14/2019. The subject at hand, Amazon price print, Amazon 1700 call entry, Amazon 1700 put entries, calls and puts based on the wholesale bid. We already know that we put a bid out here at $1.70 before it started to drop. And the reason why? Because we're wholesale and we own our own exchange. And if you want to get to print, well, you're going to have to buy you a seat. You'll have to buy a seat. So during the day, you got action at getting hit at a wholesale bid here and now. I got some very nice friends that are here as we are going into that 35-minute close. And, $1.70 right here. Oh, yeah, you heard me. That bid's already out there at $1.70. If I'm going to change it, I'm going to tell you. So, once again, the core key component to being a market maker here is by doing what I'm doing now. Because what you see me doing now is exactly what you're going to do. Because you would want to do that. And we're wholesale. We're before the fact. We're not after the fact. You could take the free 5-day trial and be in here and witness it and go through it, feel it. What's it like to get that wholesale bid? What's it like to use the turbo option exchange bid and ask calculator that we have developed for all our market makers? That means people like you. I'm going to pause. All right, here we go. Right now, we got a big NASDAQ. This is it, 266 by 289. We put an order out at 1.7 entry, and that's what we did. And so we've had the limit order out there long enough at $1.70 that's wholesale bid based on what? The ratio of the price print in the stock right here. That mathematical equation is also going to be a key driving factor of getting hit at the wholesale The wholesale bid at $1.70. And it's here, it's now, it's live, and it's waiting for you to be part of it. That's what it's doing. It's waiting for you to be part of that wholesale bid, to make that wholesale bid work. And we have other price points that we will give out too, based on the ratio. Again, it's a 1700 put chart. 99% of the people haven't seen a call or put chart, let alone know how to use it. That is, if they've seen it. Now, here we are. Amazon is the subject again. The bid and ask range is going to dictate the call side and the put side of the market at the wholesale bid entry and exit. That's going to be this one right here. That 1700 put, 8.6. Now look at this. That $1,700 call, that went up to $11.25 yesterday, can do it tomorrow on options expiration. And I'm right here and I'm right now, and I'm bringing it out before even today the market closes. But it's what we know we're going to do to get paid. And if you want to get that price increase and make those profits, then I would sign up. What I have working right now is a closing bell. It's a 60-minute chart, and it's on the $1,700 put chart right here. And basically, it was superinflated it up here, and it had to go down. And why it did go down, that meant that the other side of the print that we gave you was going up in the right value. So wholesale down here. And that's why we're looking at the 60-minute closing $1,700 put chart time, 12:45 a.m. It's PM now. So you can just take a look at where that 1700 put is trying to come up off of that low. But we know that this trend line that goes all the way right there is where we're going to take our pit stop, right in here. So there's the lows. This is what happens when they get inflated. So when they got inflated, they came down here. See, so now this type of the market right there is totally deflated, and it is. As a matter of fact, from 3.8 to the current level in that 1700 put triple within Friday expiration. Yes, it is. And here is the Amazon deal, 16.8 intraday range. We're going to close it out, but the thing we want to be very, very forthcoming for you is the print of that bid-and-ask entry, wholesale versus retail. That's why you want to be here today. Right now I'm introducing what? A 1700 call chart. Time frame, 60 pennies, 60 minutes. And it is also in what we call the deflated price zone. That is our market maker prints come down here. And this side is deflated from a little over, well, you can see right here. We are buying and selling these already. But as we get into tomorrow's expiration, that high today was 10.49 right here, and that low, 2.67 pennies. And it was 1700 call chart. You guys don't use them when you're trading options. Most of you never see them. Even if you did, what would you know how to do with it? I don't think so. But that's why we're a market maker firm. And that's why you're getting into that market maker room, is to get that wholesale bid on the option price. Yep. And it only comes from where? Right here. And right now. And you can get involved. Be the first one to sign up and let it rip at that. Here it is, 1700. Here it is, 1700. Watch the ratios going right down the middle in the price. 2.6, we're $1.70, been that way all day. We know why you want to buy a seat to get that market maker print. We know it, and it's here for you as it is. However, we're going to close in about 7 minutes, but once again, today's date is 3/14/2019, the time, 12:54 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And what are we looking at? We're looking at the bid and ask in Amazon. We have a $1,700 put that got wholesale as we know it. A $1,700 call value going into the closing bell. And the reason why this is so valuable is because this is going to be your success by being able to do this here and now. Let it be known. 2 minutes to the closing bell. You heard me. 12:58 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. $4 down. We were out here at $1.70. We're gonna see if we can steal that bid. Our next level, there's that $1.70 that we have down there forever. But we think that we can go 1.35 pennies right now with 2 minutes left, and that we could hit the buy button as it's going to do right there. That's wholesale, $1.35. Bingo, that order's up. Yes, it is. We're going to close in 2 minutes. We are 2.23. We had that at $1.70 at 2.13. $1.70. We took it down to $1.35. We only have a minute left, but it has happened in the past. If there's an algorithmic flare-up in the bid and ask, it would hit us. That's the best way to explain it to you right now. And this is going into the closing bell. And this is about Triple Witch Friday. Ding, 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 ding. So we're going to watch and see how Amazon down 5.8 ratio. Dollar terms, 5.39. Money flow, negative 106 million. Volume 2.9 million. Trading right here. Woo! Minus 106 million. There's a big block. 33,500 share block, 5,900 share block there. And we're going to settle out with that negative ratio. Tomorrow is triple witching Friday. We are going to trade that witch. But today's date, 3/14 of 19, is going to be the start date of a complete live interaction with the price entry on the triple witching Friday. Is it important for you to witness it? You can. We'll sell you a copy of it. Okay, closing bell has happened. This is the $1,700 call, triple witching Friday in the morning. And basically, that $1,700 call is very deflated in value as it is down here. So all the risk that people had was naturally over here. And this is a triple witch in the morning. It happens every 90 days. You want to be here, buy a seat, bring your money, we'll give you an entry and an exit, and you'll be enrolled in a market maker print. Sometimes I was told having half of something that you weren't going to get anyway is a good deal. And buying totally deflated tomorrow, triple witch, culprit, Amazon, negative 5.52 on that closing bell, 2.9 million shares, naturally, and whatnot. This is totally deflated. Now, the other side of the market is what Amazon was doing today. And the put side of the market paid today. This is the Amazon reversal that I'd already put up here hours ago and whatnot. But I did it for one reason, because I knew that you had needed it. And yesterday at this time is when Amazon closed down $10 on the 60-minute chart here and now. Today, the time is 4:05 p.m. Eastern time. And the thing about it is this is that reversal. And that supported the $1,700 put option that made money today. And we just want to be able to get this here so that you can see the 60-minute Amazon chart, and then you're able to naturally see the call side and the put side. So this is going to be a special, and it will. And if I were you, I think that I would buy a seat, and this is the $1,700 put. It too is deflated, so you know, and whatnot. And this is the $1,700 call right here on a 60-minute chart and whatnot. And so buying deflated over here, I got least amount of risk. Over here on that $1,700 put, that one paid lots of money today. And we have it all right here. And I'm going to recap it with you right now. The closing print, triple witch Friday in the morning, $1,700 put, 860 on the low, 1810 on the high. Now, by understanding how to make a market and whatnot, you can buy a seat just on Friday. Bring your money with you, and we'll do some trades, and we'll go through it together. And then we'll move you over here full time. We'd be happy to do that. I'm concluding the $1,700 put reversal. I've shown it on the call side, the put side. I've showed that reversal yesterday on that 60-minute chart to the current level, and that level is for who? You. You want to be the ones that benefit. Well, have a great day. It's 1:07 p.m. This video, we'll call it part 1 on Amazon Triple Witching Friday title.